Welcome to the President's Diary, where we take a look at His Excellency Dr. Mohamed Irfaan Ali's week of activities. His Excellency started his week by attending the Guyana Police Force's Night of Carols at the Police Officers' Mess Annex in Ivlery. In delivering his address at the opening of the Smart Hospital in Mabaruma, His Excellency said more than $125 billion will be invested in the upgrading of medical facilities in Region 1 and a number of hinterland communities over the next 3 years. The President noted that the idea is to enhance health services in the area. He said that the Mabaruma Hospital will give the best possible working conditions and provide the region with improved access to healthcare services.
I believe in the strength of the people of this country. I believe in the ability of the people of this country. But what I believe also is that we do not challenge our strength and our ability enough. We get comfortable and complacent with operating at one level. But the trajectory of the country, the transformation of the country requires us to go dig deeper within ourselves and to work at a different level, to transition and challenge ourselves to operate at a higher level. And trust me, once we do that and we deliver at a higher level every day, your country will recognize you. Your country will recognize you.
The commissioning of the new hospital was part of the President's two-day outreach to Region 1. His Excellency also addressed several issues affecting residents of Santa Rosa, Moruca, Region 1, and neighboring communities. The head of state informed the residents of his government's plan for Region 1, including improved infrastructure, housing, job creation, and development of the health and education sectors.
This is what we're about, bringing people together, involving people in the development, building bridges, not disuniting people, not creating roadblocks to development, not creating barriers to development, but breaking down barriers to bring development to the people of our country. That is what your government is about.
On Wednesday, the Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces, President Ali, attended the Guyana Defense Force's annual Christmas luncheon, where he announced a one-month Christmas bonus to members of the force. In addition to this announcement, President Ali noted that the soldiers who were allocated house lots will be receiving free steel and cement.
We are not building a divided Guyana. We are building a singular Guyana in which the aspirations of every Guyanese must be realized, but it will only be realized with our personal and collective commitment to our country and our communities.
On Wednesday, President Ali challenged the new graduates from the School of Medicine at the University of Guyana to embrace continuous development and to remain humble and focused while adopting good customer care practices.
Before the graduating class leave, that there must be a program in which they're taught customer care and service. For me, having arrived here, people skills is essential in the success of your career. And that is not accidental. People skill is not accidental. And I would like to see you take this as a third element. Customer service in a business environment. Transform the elements of that into a medical environment. Perhaps there was a little light in the challenge of studying during COVID, because the direction in which the country is going is data-driven, science-driven. We've started telemedicine. So you're already perfect on Zoom classes. You're already perfect on Zoom research. You're already perfect on using Teams and all the other software. So there was a little light in that because you were trained during those 2 years to use technology to overcome the challenges.
During his address, President Ali outlined several advancements in the public health sector since taking office. He said that his government will continue to invest in the expansion of the sector through technology, modern health facilities, equipment, research, and robotics with the view of making Guyana a health hub. On Thursday, His Excellency President Irfaan Ali kept his tradition of bringing Christmas cheer to hundreds of senior citizens from across Region 3 during a luncheon hosted at his Lenora residence.
I want you all to have fun and to enjoy yourself and to know that we love you, we care about you, we care about your interests. You may not see us every day because we have to be all across the country, but know that we are there with hard work and with pride that we are representing you and we're delivering to you every day.
His Excellency President Irfaan Ali and First Lady Mrs. Arya Ali were serenaded on Thursday evening by students of Queen's College at State House. The 35-member choir was led by Miss Jem Rollier, who has been teaching music at the school since 1988. Senior Minister within the Office of the President with responsibility for finance, Dr. Ashni Singh, also joined the First family for the festive event at State House. President Ali highlighted that Cuba has made massive contributions to the development of Guyana, especially in the health sector, through the training of thousands of healthcare workers. He said that when selflessness and sacrifice are reflected, Cuba stands at the pinnacle. This, the president explained, is a testament to the people of Cuba being committed to the causes of humanity, uplifting lives, and making the world a better place. A commemorative stamp to mark the 50th anniversary of diplomatic relations was also unveiled.
This small gathering is no way reflective of the huge contribution Cuba has made to the development of Guyana. When we think about our healthcare system and the thousands of doctors and nurses that benefited from training in Cuba, when we think about our engineering system, when we think about the medical brigades that came to support our health sector, when we think about the selfless sacrifice of sharing, even when Cuba itself had limited resources. It tells us about the people who are committed to the cause of humanity, a people who are committed to the upliftment of humanity, a people who are committed to ensuring that they do their bit in making the world a better place.